Why is a Japanese doctor warning people to put a snake plant in their room? He mentioned 6 reasons, and I'm going to tell you right now without delay. And I'll tell you in advance, the 6th reason is controversial and will cause a lot of buzz in the comments, I'm sure of it. Number 1, folks, according to NASA studies, the snake plant is one of the plants that produces the most oxygen and purifies the air compared to other plants we might have at home. So that's the first reason. Number 2, folks, most plants produce oxygen during the day, right? But the snake plant produces it at night, which aids in sleep. So during the day, it will absorb the bad air with some components that aren't so healthy for humans. And at night, it will release the purest oxygen. Number 3 now, folks. The snake plant is capable of removing pollutant toxins from the air. This means it's very good at combating allergies. And as I said, this will happen during the day, and at night, your room will have clean air, free from impurities. All right? Number 4, it's a super easy plant to care for. It adapts to different light conditions and doesn't need much water. Being native to South Africa, it withstands drier and hotter climates, which makes it durable even without water. It also doesn't need direct light to grow, so it can easily stay in places with little illumination.